Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on piano. To begin, listen to the main theme several times to internalize its rhythm and melody. Next, identify the key signature, often a minor, and the time signature, typically 4/4. Focus on playing the melody with your right hand, ensuring each note is clear and precise. This foundational step is crucial for building accuracy and musicality. Now, let's focus on your left hand. It's essential to learn the bass line and the underlying chord progressions. Many Five Nights at Freddy's themes utilize common chords such as a minor, G major, C major, and F major. Practice these chords and the bass line independently until they feel comfortable. Then, gradually combine both hands, starting at a very slow tempo to synchronize your movements effectively. Rhythm and dynamics are key to capturing the game's atmosphere. The Five Nights at Freddy's theme has very specific rhythmic patterns that contribute to its suspenseful feel. Experiment with dynamic changes, playing softer for eerie sections and louder for more intense moments. Using a metronome is highly recommended to ensure a consistent tempo, helping you maintain accuracy throughout the piece. Aim for a tempo around 100 beats per minute. For more advanced playing, break down any challenging sections into smaller, manageable phrases. Practice these difficult parts repeatedly until they become smooth. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your performance and pinpoint areas for improvement. Consistent practice, even for just 20 minutes daily, will significantly enhance your skill and confidence in playing the Five Nights at Freddy's theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.